You are about to learn a $1,000 business secret completely free. Today, I will reveal Google Pomelli's key features, business DNA profiling, AI strategy, and instant asset generation. Watch this video until the end, because here at TechDrop, I always create content to add real value to your business. Let's unlock this secret right now. The first feature effectively replaces a brand consultant. It is called Business DNA. Instead of manually setting up colors and fonts, you simply enter your website URL. For this demo, we are using Netflix.com. Watch closely. The AI scans the live site and instantly extracts the color palette, font styles, and even the brand voice, identified here as exciting and modern. This feature ensures that every single piece of content you generate is 100% on brand automatically. Value isn't just about automation, it's about control. That brings us to edit and refine. If the AI misses a detail, simply click the pencil icon on the dashboard. You can manually adjust your tagline or upload specific imagery. This allows you to fine-tune your brand's identity before you spend a single second on content creation. Now, navigate to the Campaign Hub for the most powerful tool, AI ideation. If you don't know what to post, use the SMART suggestions at the bottom. These are strategies tailored to your DNA. Or use the custom prompt bar to type a specific command like create a launch post for a new series. This feature gives you the strategy of a marketing manager for free. Finally, the asset generator combines all this data to build your campaign visuals instantly. You just saved hours of work and hundreds of dollars. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to TechDrop for more business secrets. Thanks for watching.